Ano ang message mo sa mga kababaihan or professionals na pinagdadaanan din yung insecurities na nararanasan mo?
At dahil ito po ay episode ng DMD, may acronym po ako, ACNE.
Go!
So ang message ko po ay letter A. Accept failures, accept setbacks, because in this acceptance you would transform, no? Letter C, commit to the daily things, the daily skincare routine, commit to the food na hindi iiwasan mo, commit to the negative vibe, kung may mga vibe na hindi maganda,
or mga people who don't support
iwasan
you.
na natin. Commit to that little things that makes the bigger picture. And never say never, because sabi ko nga, situation change, magbabago po yan. Lahat ng nangyayari po sa buhay nyo ngayon, temporary lang po yan. Hindi po yan forever. It will not determine your life. You will transform talaga. And letter E, embrace the present. I believe, marami kasi sa atin gusto natin yung the big ones, the big result, na nakakalimutan natin yung present is as important as tomorrow.
Celebrate the present.
Yes,
right?
embrace this moment. And sana, in your journey, you would realize na transformation can truly happen if you truly believe first in yourself and embrace the journey.